What's up, everybody? My name is Jessica, if you didn't already know. Today I am going to be teaching you guys how to make fluffy Japanese pancakes. Alright, you guys, let's start making those Japanese fluffy pancakes. Add a half cup plus 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and give that a good mix. Next, let's add 3/4 cups plus 1 tablespoon of flour, and I'm just going to sift it in there. Now let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna give that a good mix. All right, once it is nicely whisked up, we are going to go to our egg yolks. In our mixing bowl, we are going to add in 3 egg whites, right? Yeah, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're gonna mix this till it gets nice stiff peaks. In the meantime, while that is mixing, we are going to go ahead and heat up our pan. Sometimes you gotta give it a little. Make sure to spray it down with some good old Pam. Yeah. Alrighty, once your egg whites have become stiff peaks, we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla into our mixture here. Next, we're going to fold in our egg whites. Be very gentle with these, that way you don't ruin the fluffiness. So I see people doing it with the big scoop, but I only have a mini one, so I'm making mini. So they say to scoop it like this, just plop it. Whoopsie daisies. Come back here. That one didn't come out as planned. Alrighty, now we are just going to flip them over. Oops. And cover them up again. Alright, they are all done. Now we're just gonna go plate them. I am all done making the Japanese fluffy pancakes, and I do have to say, they did not come out fluffy. These look like, that is thinner than a pancake. That one's even raw. I don't see no fluffiness. This, whatever it's called, the whatchamacallit. These ingredients did not make it fluffy. I'm just gonna give them a taste test. Yeah, they taste Japanese.
Bruh.
I guess I just need to try a different recipe some other time. But this was definitely, for sure, a fail. What is this? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. They taste fake.